Hello, Ma'am and Sir. I am Rogeline Singapan, 27 years old. I am a single mother with one blessed child. I am the eldest child of the family. I have one sister and one brother. I am high school graduate. I have work experience as domestic helper in the Kingdom Saudi of Arabia in 2 years and 2 months. I serve 7 members of the family, husband and wife, and their 5 children, 4 girls and 1 boy. My duties are cleaning, cooking, ironing, going to market, and washing her clothes. Mom and Sir, I hope you select me. I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. I will follow all your instructions, and I promise, Mom and Sir, to finish my 2 years contract with you. Thank you, Mom and Sir. God bless.